Hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from artery.com. A while ago I uploaded a video about how to use the colour cubes from Sarah Renee Clark. They are excellent tools but not particularly cheap, so I went online to see if there were any free alternatives. I came across a website that has a free colour palette generator with several options for configuring your own colour palettes or by simply choosing ones they have to offer. I'll leave the link to the website in the description below this video. The easiest way to do it is to select one of the colours on the page or one of the ready-made palettes that you can find a bit further down. Whichever selection you make, it will take you to another page where it will show you different variations that you can choose from. If you know the actual name or the hex code of the colour that you want to use, you can just input that in the search bar. It immediately shows you the colour, which you can then click to be taken to the configuration page. But if you don't want any of those, you can configure your own colours manually. Just click on the little bars, select the colour, and Bob's your uncle. You then have the opportunity to save or download the palettes for future reference. It's entirely up to you. You may have to sign in to be able to save them, but once you have, you go to your favourites page and all of the palettes will be there, and you can download them from there as well. One really cool thing you can do, which I absolutely love, is that you can extract colours from any image. Here's a few examples of how to do that. Each colour palette will show you a few more options at the bottom of the page. As I mentioned before, you can also add the colour names if you know them and generate your colour palettes that way as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been useful. Have a great day. Bye bye now.